Hey investors! Today's topic is a pressing one, the recent nosedive of the Nifty Pharma index. So why is this happening? Well, it's all about those US reciprocal tariffs. Let me break it down for you. The US currently imposes zero duty on pharmaceutical imports, while India slaps on around 10%. President Trump has introduced new tariffs to level the playing field. This policy, set to kick in on April 2nd, has created quite a stir. Here's the impact. The Nifty Pharma index has dropped over 2%, marking its fifth consecutive session of decline. Indian pharma companies rely heavily on US sales, and these tariffs could really hurt them. Let's look at the major losers. IPCA Laboratories fell a whopping 7%, JB Chemicals down 5%, and Divi's Labs and Lupin dropped by 4%. Even big names like Sun Pharma and Glenmark saw declines between 2% to 3%. On the flip side, some stocks did manage slight gains. Dr. Reddy's Labs, Mankind Pharma, Natco Pharma, and Ajanta Pharma saw minor upticks. Now what do the analysts say? Motilal Oswal suggests the pharma sector is vulnerable, but the overall impact on India's GDP is limited, just about 1.1%. Jefferies, however, warns that companies like Zydus and Dr. Reddy's are more exposed. So, what's next for Indian pharma? In the short term, expect stock pressure and efforts to diversify. Long-term, firms may lobby for tariff exemptions and focus more on domestic and alternative markets like Europe and Africa. President Trump calls April 2nd Liberation Day for the US economy. Will India get an exemption? Only time will tell. In conclusion, the Nifty Pharma slump reflects investor anxiety over these new tariffs. Keep your eyes peeled for regulatory updates and any news on US-India trade negotiations. Stay informed and invest wisely. Catch you next time.